Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you passionate about using technology to transform healthcare? Here is your chance to make a real impact. The IEEE Engineering in Medicine and Biology Society Pune Chapter under the IEEE Pune section is thrilled to announce the Student Internship Program. And yes, you will receive a internship completion certificate from IEEE EMBS Pune Chapter upon successful completion. So, what will you be working on? AI/ML models for detecting and predicting mental health disorders, predictive model for neurological condition, designing cognitive tools, developing wearable affordable devices for early diagnosis. This internship is open for individual applicants or teams of up to 3 members. So, what is the requirement? You must be an IEEE member and you will need a recommendation letter from your IEEE student branch counselor. To apply, fill out the registration form linked below, and yes, there will be a screening process to select the best candidate. So don't miss the chance to apply your skills, gain valuable experience, and contribute to the real world solution in healthcare technology. Apply now and be a part of change. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.